waze wadlala ngengane yabantu uMphumelelo. Ayi shame. As like I kind of feel sorry for Uvuyokazi and what she has been through with Umpumelelo. She did say that there's absolutely nothing she hasn't done in order for her to be umamkhulu. And that's maybe the reason why she's not settling at all to be wife number two, because she feels like she's done everything in her power. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like that's what it's about for Mpumelelo. But for you guys, it did have a Q&A on her Instagram stories. Guys, you can look at the screen grabs on your screen, pause and read. But it does seem like Vuyokazi has finally chosen and picked herself. And you know what? I'm happy for her. The moment you have kids, there needs to be a level of selfishness that you need to have towards yourself. Because, yeah, at this point, like you can see, Mpumelelo is taking the very same footsteps his father is taking, and they are after whatever vision they have. So I truly do think it's best, and I'm happy that Vuyokazi is finally putting herself first. But some of the questions that were actually asked were, do you really think you can get over Mpumelelo? And Vuyokazi says, I don't think, I know. I love that. I love that for her because I know she knows that it's going to be difficult, but if someone has made up their minds, guys, that they're not going back to a relationship, they can really move on. They really can move on. There's no such thing of there's no guy that won't love you with two kids. Like there's no such thing. Uvuyokazi is young, beautiful and smart. She still can find a man who will love her. I just really, really hope she doesn't go back there because on the last episode, Umsilegu, on the episode that's still to come, actually, Umsilegu is basically saying he wants Vuyokazi in the Msilego household, you know. So I really hope and I know that he's gonna play a role in trying to convince Vuyokazi to stay because angithi Stenjin or rather Umsilego isithembu sakhe. He believes that once you impregnate a woman, you need to marry her. So I really hope Vuyokazi doesn't turn back because if she does turn back, she's gonna go back to the very same thing. Another question that was asked was that, does Vuyokazi believe that she has accepted Istembu? And she said that um, she actually has, because remember Mpumelelo said that Vuyokazi hasn't accepted Istembu. She basically wants to be alone. So Vuyokazi says she has actually accepted Istembu. She doesn't see anything wrong with Istembu. She only has a problem with the way Usmindi was handling his Tembu, and that's the thing that was making them fight all the time. To me, it just looked at what we got to see on screen, guys, and again, what we get to see is just the snippets of that real actual thing. It really doesn't look like Vuyokazi had accepted Istembu. I feel like her heart could not overcome Indaba Yestembu. Her heart, that's what it looked like. There's just some people, guys, they're not made for Istembu. Like jealousy just overcomes their heart. They just not made for Istembu. But I guess again, then sometimes a person can look like they're not made for Istembu based on the way the guy is dealing with stuff. Because yeah, the way Mpumelelo was putting it, I just don't think Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi were happy anymore, and happy in a sense that they looked and seemed like they were always fighting. Mpumelelo makes it seem in a way that Vuyokazi is controlling, and on Vuyokazi's side, she makes it seem like, no, I was not controlling. There's just certain things that I will not stand for. And I was addressing, and he doesn't like that. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Maybe she will leave, and maybe cause she says one of the questions they did ask, "Are you still with that man? Are you still with Mpumelelo?" And she says no, she's no longer with him. So maybe she has left. Maybe she has left. Maybe just like Mayeni, maybe years later they will come back and fetch her. to come and be a wife and she'll finally accept. I truly don't know. I truly don't know. Like also live maturity is a different thing because once a woman has children, like her mind is even thinking differently. So I really don't know. But if it truly is the case that she's standing on business and she really is saying, I am not going back there, I'm really happy for her because at this stage, like, no, no. She is so weird as he has been saying with you. The thing she's been fighting for, even off camera, is istima sakhe. And I'm just like, ma'am, at this point, you fought enough. You fought enough. Like, no one, like, in any relationship, you must not be the one who's fighting alone. Like, the person must always be willing to fight for your reputation and protect your reputation. And I don't see Umpumelelo protecting for your guys' reputation at this point. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Please do like the video. Please do subscribe. It is for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.